Hi, my name is Lawing Yi, and this video I will be walking you through my individual contribution to the Kati Sakalam coaching website for course 10026 assignment 2. My responsibility will the share components that run across every page of the site and the header, footer, contact section, pop-up message system, and the enhancement page. Starting with the header PHP, this file is included at the top of the every page. It dynamically checks whether the user is logged in and it also requires the database to retrieve the user's profile picture and display it in an avatar in the navigation bar along their name. The navigation bar is used pure HTML checkbox toggle the technical and responsive hamburger menu for the mobile screen with the drop-down sub-menu for the product, order, and the other page. Next is the footer PHP. This output the copyright notice consistently at the bottom of every page, while the contact PHP is reusable component that display the shop location, the WhatsApp, and the email and the business hour in the layout. Any page can include the entire contact the section with just one line of code. The pop-up message system is message PHP. Replace the browser default alert box in the alert box with a style model pop-up. Any PHP script can set out a system variable before redirecting the user, and message PHP will display the pop-up on the next page and clear the system afterward. This is across login, registration, order placement, and profile update and inquiry submission. So you place the order, have a message pop-up. And then for the enhancement, I will implement the order and the delivery management module, which lets customer place order and track their status with the admin can manage and adapt all orders. I also built a admin management module, giving an administrator full could access the registration for the user account. Finally is the custom pop-up message system is also listed as a formal enhancement since it goes beyond and the basic requirements and it is reusable throughout the entire site. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Erasmo Ryan, and today I will present to you my assignment 2 for my website that called Spectacular Coaching. So before I start, I am the fourth among 4 members of my group that are in charge in inquiry and profile. So without further ado, I will explain my part, which is inquiry and profile. So the first part is inquiry form. Yeah. Whenever the customer enter their name, for example, here's the data, and then the inquiry is about the factors, and then let me type something. And after I submit, the data will go to this inquiry database, which is the main database is called CatIDB. So here's the data that I thinking in just now. Next one is I will explain about profile. So this is default account that I've been made before. And I log in, and here it shows login successful. We go to this profile page right here, and then in here you can edit our profile pictures by uploading the file we choose, and then it will go directly to our Windows file gallery to search a picture. So I will use this one, and then I upload the picture. Boom, here they are. So the database will go here. So here are the data. They are already been keyed in. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Greetings, my name is Chu Chongxian, and in this video I will be demonstrating our PHP updates on our website, which I will be mainly focused on product, cut, checkout, my orders, and order history flow, and briefly explain the PHP code behind it. So same as before, the website flow starts from the home page, which is now index.php. This page will link user to the product category pages, such as cactus, succulents, and etc. And on each product page, the products are displayed as cards as before. Each card has a form with hidden inputs value for the product's name, price, and a submit button for add to cart. So now, when user click add to cart, the form sends the product data to add to cart.php, and in the PHP form, session start is used so the cart can be stored in a session. The code checks whether the cards already exist. If the selected product is already exit inside the cart, the quantity is increased. If it is a new product, the code edits into the session cart with its name, price, and quantity. So let's press add to cart. And after that, after user press add to cart, the floating cart is shown using cartfloat.php. This file reads the item from session cart. It loops through the cart item to calculate the total quantity and total price. This is why the floating cart can show the number of item, the product name, quantity, subtotal, and total amount. So after user, let me just add one more to demonstrate. So after user add cart, then they can go to view checkout on the checkout page. This page also reads from the session cart and display the selected product in the checkout summary. And the quantity controls on this page here are linked to update cart quantity.php. So when the plus button is clicked, the code increases the quantity like this. So it increased the quantity, and when the minus button is clicked, the code decreased the quantity. If the quantity of a specific product becomes 0, then the item will be removed from the cart. So let me demonstrate this. That's it. And the remove button is linked to remove cart item.php. This file checks the product's name from the URL and remove that product from session cart. And after updating or removing an item, the page redirects back so the cart display refresh with the latest data. So after user confirming the cart, the user needs to fill in the checkout form and place down the order. So let me demonstrate this. So user will click the place order button like this. Okay, it will say order placed successfully. The order details are saved in our database, so they can be viewed later. And this is my order.php, this page. This page will retrieve the current user order records and display the order information, such as item ordered, total amount, and order status right here. And finally, we can see that order history.php. This will show the previous order records. This allows user to review the past order and track what has been complete or deleted. So let me demonstrate this. We'll go back to my orders, and if I press delete order, then we can in order history.php we can see that the order number 5 is now deleted and been recorded in order history. So that's for my part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Harry. I will explain my part for my web design. My part will be doing the admin dashboard. So for admin, you don't need to register. You just directly type in the username and the password. The username is admin, the password also admin, no matter all caps or no caps. So login, successful login. This is the admin page. It's simple and easy to use. User, you can see the current user that is already registered, and then you can click edit. You can edit their information here. So for example, I put 9,000, 90,000, and then user update successfully. Okay, back to dashboard, and then inquiries. I can check the inquiries also. Phone number, what is the inquiry about, the succulent, and then the message, and then the date. Okay, to go back to the dashboard, orders, I can look at the orders, customer, and the email, phone number, total how much, the status pending. So this is what he bought. You can edit, mark and done, or delete. So for edit this simple stuff, the notes, the delivery, and then if you mark done, that means the order is complete, you mark done, and it will become like this. Then in the status we will put done. That's all for me. Thank you.